Are you tired of juggling multiple tasks and apps? Boost your productivity with Microsoft Copilot and Office 365. Microsoft Copilot is like having a tech-savvy buddy right in your Office 365 apps. Imagine creating top-notch documents in Word, analyzing data in Excel, drafting perfect emails in Outlook, and designing stunning presentations in PowerPoint, all with an AI helping hand. Need to generate content fast? Copilot's got you. Grammar checks? Handled. Data analysis? A breeze. It even automates routine tasks and gives smart suggestions. To maximize Copilot's potential, be specific with your instructions, explore templates, and keep learning. Plus, it's great for collaboration, efficiency, and saving on costs. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our latest blog post and register for the Copilot webinar series at CMIT Boston, Newton, Waltham. Visit our website or contact us directly. Boost your productivity today with Microsoft Copilot and Office 365.